Hey, 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 hey. Oh no, the structure of the song could have been crazy. Oh, fuck. What's poppin'? What's good? What's good? What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. Today's video we're looking at is CKay. Okay, CKay, Focalistic, Davido, and one more name. I don't want to leave my guy hanging. How can I expand this to see the guy's name? Abidoza. Okay. This is gonna be a crazy moment. I've looked forward to this song as soon as I heard the snippet. CKay, Focalistic, Davido. Focalistic and Davido, first off, the synergy that they have, based on Champion Sound, K-Star remix, crazy. There's even rumors of a EP together based off of their chemistry, which is always a great thing when you see artists that find a good synergy. Definitely milk it as much as you can. But yeah, that on one end, CKay and Davido have their own chemistry too. So this is like, all right, I have a friend, you have a friend, let's all be friends. This is a situation like that. So I'm kind of excited to see all three of them on a record together. Clearly from the snippet, you can tell this is an Amapiano heavily influenced song. I think Abidoza is a DJ / producer, so we're getting the authenticity. God, man, it's not butchering a simple word. Authenticity of the Amapiano sound. We're definitely getting it right from the source, you know, and I'm always here for that. CKay, crazy vocalist. I think he has made a very clear sonic direction since the Boyfriend EP and since the success of Love Quantity as well. And Emiliana, the record that has followed that. There was an attempt on an Amapiano sound that I didn't really fuck with too much. And unfortunately, like, obviously, clearly, that dropped the same week Emiliana dropped, and it was clear what the song that was gonna get the most attention. But yes, I love this. I love the snippet. I'm gonna get into it. Hopefully, it lives up to the snippet's hype, because trust me, I rated this snippet as heavy. Okay, this was good. This was a good snippet. But anyway, without further ado, let me not say too much. Let's get right into it. This one is called WATAWI. Okay, let's go. Why did I say it like that? WATAWI. Why did I say it like that, bro? Okay. So this is not starting from where the snippet starts. We're already into the drums. I thought the drums came later from the snippet. Okay, I'm not mad though. Yep, as you would expect in a pure Amapiano fashion. The keys, let's get the melody there. Okay, harmony. Yo, 6K. Let's go. Yep, you can hear that. I'm classic Amapiano like chords that are coming in there, like they're coming there. Dun 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 dun. You can definitely hear that. You look forward to that. As soon as we're building up to that, it means it's about to get deep. It's about to get serious. But CKay is saying something as we're building up though. Let's hear it.
Yeah, the first streets, but I get money. I get to kill it when they give me keys and other things.
Is it just me? The mix is kind of.
Keys, but I don't have keys right now. She tell me WATAWI. She tell me WATAWI. I tell her we are. I tell her baby, all is it too fast. She tell me.
Okay, wait. I'm confused with the structure of the song. The snippet gave me like, I guess that happens in the middle of the song, right? From what I recall from the snippet, it started off with a somewhat of a sample, and then Focalistic came in. Bro, let me try and remind myself how the snippet went. Real quick, let me catch the snippet. Okay, it's coming back to me. So I guess this is in the same vein as the snippet. I wasn't confused. Yeah, I shouldn't have been confused, but anyway.
I did my day on my days.
Okay.
To baggy the body wallet, girl.
Okay.
She say what I be tossing, I love is what why you want love, come on.
Okay. Ovio. I would have loved the video's portion to be one, energetic, like super intentional, like aggressive, like in the pure Davido fashion. Some people don't like it. Me, I like it though from Davido. I like when he's super like he's overcompensating for his lack of dexterity, you know? Like I love when he does that. Some people might hate it when he's like practically shouting, but it's some level of ginger that he brings to a song. Granted, you might say this song might not warrant it at this portion of the song, but I just wanted something a little bit more punchy on the song. Like Davido's portion doesn't seem. It's not the portion I'm singing or I'm going back to, and yeah, it's so far the first run from it. It doesn't seem as catchy though. That's basically what I'm capturing on that one. I'm not gonna lie. This low-key is disappointing me so far because with the way I expected the snippet to play out. I was kind of thinking the song was starting that way, but anyway, it's an piano song. So what the hell was I expecting?
She tell me WATAWI. I tell her we are. I tell her baby, oh, is it not too fast? She tell me what.
Okay, Focalistic.
21 questions.
Hey.
Put the 21 questions.
Hey.
21 questions.
Okay. Bro, the mix is bad. Let's talk about the mix. It's bad. Their vocals are not sitting well on the beat. It's getting. I thought it wouldn't annoy me, but at this point where I'm supposed to be vibing, it is. I'm picking up on it. The mix is not good.
I'm not the window shopper. I buy you Prada when I'm proud of ya.
I buy you Prada when I'm proud of ya.
And I sip the Hennessy for when I feel when I'm proud of ya.
Okay, we're about to get into the mean part of the song. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, 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 come on. Now let's beat it back in. Okay, this is the part where we go crazy. This is where the snippet comes in, yeah.
WATAWI. She whispered things inside my ear. Me tell her things
I want to hear. 21 questions. Put the tempo. 21 questions. Come on. Come on.
21 questions.
Come on.
Put the tempo. 21 questions.
Put the tempo. Bro, this should be the chorus of the song. This violin run right now, this should be the chorus of the song. Ah, this is so good. Hey, 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 hey. Oh no, the structure of the song could have been crazy. Oh, fuck. Oh no, the violin. That violin solo right there. Oh, I'm kind of bro, the potential that this song has is crazy. Crazy. Now there's a few things. One, Davido's presence could have been a lot more pronounced here. I get it, there are 3 people on the song. It might be crazy how to arrange it. But bro, that snippet portion, that towards the end, how is that the best part? And that comes so far into the song. Like, this is a 4-minute 48 record. Like, at least make it a portion. I know, how can I say this in a way that doesn't seem crazy? Because I know Amapiano has a format, like an unspoken rule in terms of like formatting. Usually they start with keys and it's soft. I think you can still meet those even like unspoken Amapiano rules with the run that we just did in the snippet. That portion where it goes just the keys, and then it goes Tell Me WATAWI, like a pre-chorus, and then the chorus, that the main hook where the song actually captures you is the drop. And I feel like if the song opened towards that drop and then creates like a pocket for verses and creates, you know what I mean, catchy or memorable portions of the song, like dropping Easter eggs like along the song is going, but still leading back into that major drop. I think that would have made such a fantastic structure for the song, as opposed to what we got, which kind of had it open into like a weak, I won't say weak, but an okay drop that wasn't really like as effective or wasn't as punching. And then we get into a Davido chorus that, a Davido section that didn't really seem, it just felt out of place. It just felt like, oh, we just let him have a couple bars here and that was it. Wasn't really memorable, wasn't energetic, wasn't infectious, wasn't in your face like a Davido feature would be. And we get into Focalistic that it gets a nice pocket. That's the thing. I was looking for pockets to hold on to, yeah. And Foca actually found it on some, like, you know what I mean, shopping spree, or I buy you Prada when I'm Prada, yeah, or something like that. He found some pocket somewhere hidden there. He found a pocket. But yeah, it's paining me because I rated the song so highly, man. But so far, it's not hitting where the snippet hit me. You know, it's not hitting that spot yet. But, God, okay. Shouldn't say it like that. But basically, you get my point. It's not doing what the snippet did for me. But maybe we'll give it time, bro. But no, like, if I'm not feeling this, like, so connected on the song, usually when I fall in love with a 4-minute song, like, especially a 4-minute amapiano song, I want to still replay it. Do you know what I mean? There's a strong replay value to it. But that replay value is in the pocket that I loved, which was the violin. That was my highlight of the song. I feel like that presence should have been much more pronounced, come a lot earlier into the song. Way earlier, please. That should have come way earlier into the song. And that should have been the anchor for the song. Like, build the song around that portion. But anyway, what can I say? Like, I can just give my opinion on how I would have loved for the structure to have been, you know what I mean? But then again, it's art. You can interpret it in different ways. I just think this format didn't really hit the mark for me. But let me know what you guys think. I'm curious what you guys think about this one. Did it meet your expectations of the snippet? Because it didn't for me, unfortunately. But I've been your boy, man, CKay, palmwinepapi. You already know the vibes. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the live stream if you are a real one. And definitely subscribe too, okay? Like, there's other content too. Like, we're pumping out content every week in, week out. So do the right thing. Hit the subscribe button, all right? Thank you very much for that. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.